Hello friends, today we will learn how to find the PAN number in GST number, because in GST number this is a group of 15 numbers. In that, after two numbers you will get the 10 digits as a PAN number. The starting two number is the code of the states. After that digits you are having 10 numbers, that is called a PAN number, permanent account number. After that 10 numbers, the one digit will come, that is entity number of the same PAN holder in state, and after that alphabet will become. So after that one you will get another one digit or some number, some characters will get. So how to find out this PAN number in this GST is, कैसे पता करना है, इसके लिए एक फॉर्मूला टाइप करना है, okay, is equal to MID mid. So okay, because you want to find out the middle value of that particular GST number, इसलिए वो कौन से सेल में है वो देना है, is equal to mid open bracket and you have to give the cell, and after that from which character you have to take that is third digit I want to take. Third digit, how many number digits you want to take on that. So 10 digits. Before and after that particular the whatever digits you are given in GST column, so that all things will be removed, and the whatever number you have given 10. So 10 digits will count after third number, and it will take that particular number as a PAN number. So this is the PAN number, which it is including in GST number. So here I'll just click on this one. So I'm getting all the PAN numbers of the particular GST numbers. Thank you.